Hello guys, how are you? I hope you guys are well. In this video, I'm going to show you an exciting thing, which is how you can convert an image into a Word text in Microsoft Word. So for example, if I show you an image here, as you can see that it is a JPG file, and it is now into an image. So I'm going to make it into a text file in Microsoft Word. So let's see how we can do it. Okay, now close this one, then open Microsoft Word. Okay, then click new blank document. Okay, then insert a picture. So for that you have to click on insert, then picture from this device. Okay, I'm going to insert the picture from this one. Okay, as you can see, this is the image. Okay, I zoomed it in. Okay, then after zoomed it in, then after click on correction. Okay, after clicking on correction, go to picture corrections options down below. Click on here. Okay, then sharpness 50%. I increased it into 50%. Sorry, I'm gonna make it 30. Okay, and brightness 30. Okay, then contrast 20. Yeah, it looks clear. Okay, okay, now save this. So for saving this you have to click on file, then save as. Okay, I'm gonna save it in my desktop. Okay, I'm gonna save it into a PDF file. So for example, my file name is my file dot pdf, my file. Okay, then save this. Okay, I saved this. Okay, as you can see that this is my file. It is not into text, it is an image file. So now I am gonna make it into a text file. Okay, now close your Microsoft Word again, close this one. Okay, now open Microsoft Word again. Okay, then click on new blank document. Okay, then click on view, then click on outline. Okay, then show document. After clicking on show document, you will see two options: create and insert. I'm going to insert the file that I made make PDF some few minutes ago. So in desktop, so here is my file. I'm gonna make it into insert. I'm inserting this one. Okay, then you will see the Word will now convert your PDF in editable Word document. This may take a while. Okay, then click on OK. Okay, don't click anything down, just as you can see that my file. Okay, my image file, if I show you my image file. Okay, this is my image file. As you can see, define population sample samplings with examples. Okay, population and furniture. Okay, now click on close outline view. Okay, as you can see that it has turned into a PDF file as same as the image. So now delete this one. Okay, as you can see that it is editable. Okay, you can edit this, and it has turned into it is. Okay, delete this one. Okay, so this is how you can make an image file into text file into in a MS Office document. So I hope this will help you a lot. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure share my video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.